Hello friends, hi, I'm Dinesh Lakra, English language teacher, professional spoken tutor and motivational speaker. Give you a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel for spoken class. If you are new to my channel, you are kindly requested to subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest notifications of my new uploaded educational and informative videos. And being good English lovers, do like and share my videos. It inspires and means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you about a very wonderful thing, and that would also let you have a wonderful feeling on your culture of speaking English. So friends, without delaying, come on, let's get started today's class. And this video we are going to study about a very new, very wonderful word and very good sounding word, and that word is nothing else but gonna. What is it, friends? Gonna, G-O-N-N-A, gonna, right? So what is a gonna? Friends, it is short form of going to. What is it, friends? It is short form of going to. So in place of going to, we are about to use this gonna. But right before using this in language, we need to understand some of the important things while using this in our language. The very first thing to take care while using it. Friends, since this going to is a phrase and this is having to in the end, right? To in the end it is having. So in after to, the kind of word you have to use must be accent very first form, because this to is not a preposition here. Sometimes people start thinking, when they see going to, what do they start doing? They start doing saying like this: I'm going to school today, right? Or I'm going to office. Friends, this is not for that. Okay, this sentence is absolutely right, but when we are talking about gonna is short form of going to. In that case, what will we have to take care of? To is not a preposition, because a preposition is a word that takes noun word or no action word, okay, after it. Since this to is a linking word, so accent very first form is needed. You need to know about, right? So come on, let's go ahead with example and make the best use of it. After reading motivational lines said by APJ Abdul Kalam, this is my day, I can do it, I am very excited, so I am going to do something special today. I'm going to do something great today. I'm going to do something special, something new, something creative, something innovative today. These many sentences I have spoken, right? So what will you have to do, friends, here? In place of going to, you have to use what? This gonna. So what can you say in place of going to? You can say gonna, right? You can say, I am gonna do something great today. I'm gonna do something special today. I'm gonna sing today. I'm gonna dance today, because a special day. Clear, friends? So like that, it is to be used. Gonna. Okay, I'm gonna dance today. It's my friend's birthday today. I'm gonna dance today. I'm gonna sing today. I'm gonna enjoy today. I'm gonna speak English today. Wow, wonderful, superb, stupendo, fantabulously fantastic. Let me see. Are you gonna dance today? क्या आप dance करने वाले आज? So friends, this going to gives the sense of about to, right? It means once you say this going to means sense is what? Action is almost to be done. That action is going to be done. Correct, friends? So taking that care, that kind of sense, you have to use this gonna. I think you have understood, isn't it? Come on, let's go ahead a little bit, taking this matter ahead. Are you gonna dance today? Yes, I'm gonna dance today. No, I'm not gonna dance today. So like that you can say, then what are you gonna do today? What are you gonna do this evening? What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna this time? What are you gonna this morning or today? Okay, this kind of words in the end you can take, friends. Very suitable words these are. I'm gonna watch TV. After some time, I'm gonna study. Anything you feel like saying, you can, friends, right? Go ahead. Oh, I'm gonna do nothing today. I'm gonna do nothing today. Let's use this for third person as well, for singular, male, female, or for brothers, sisters, or with any name you can use it. Oh, it's a great occasion. My friend is gonna perform today on Ritik songs, on Shahrukh songs. Wow, he's a good dancer, one of the marvelous dancers in our area. He's gonna perform on Jagdendia song. Oh, she's gonna sing into this party. She's going to blow the mind of people, audience. She is a wonderful singer. She is an adorable singer. Like this you can use. Okay, we are gonna have butter today. We are gonna have butter today. They are gonna perform on that particular song. So anything you like, friends, you can use. It's very easy. Oh, what is he gonna do today? What is she gonna do today? Yeah, what are they gonna do today? What are they gonna do today? Anything can be said, friends. But nowadays, good English speakers, they're saying like this. In place of, hey, what are you gonna do today? They're saying, what are you gonna be doing today? That's also right. It is your way, friend. It is your choice. When you are taking be, then very first form with ing will be there. What are you gonna be doing today? I'm gonna be singing today. I'm gonna be dancing today. I hope you have understood. So like this, friends, this gonna, it sounds better, right? So when we know about wanna, then gonna comes, friends. So that's why this session I kept for you, and I do think this session must have been very informative to you. So keep on using this gonna. Now you have understood. Make the best use of it and be one of the English speakers. This 2020 is yours, friends. So please grab your dream, live your dream, and speak. Make others speak English, and please change the atmosphere. Never complain about not having English atmosphere. Create this atmosphere, friends. Speak English, and atmosphere of English speaking will be formed for you. Let us not be complainers, but let's be creators. I hope this session must have motivated you to speak English, and my mission and my vision is to make you speak English, friends, and I will definitely serve you until unless you have it through my earnest spoken videos. So thank you very much for being with me and staying with me to the end, and for enjoying my videos, for watching my videos. Thank you very much. I would be with you with next videos. Until then, very goodbye. God bless you all. Stay safe.